Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with just a little video that I wanted to share with you. This is one of my bridesmaid proposal boxes that I made for the girls that I'm asking to be my bridesmaids and my maid of honor for my wedding. And I just finished this and I just wanted to show you what was inside just to kind of give some ideas. I will have links for some certain things down below, so make sure you check out the description box. But basically this is just a little box that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. It was about $1.99. And then I also had a coupon, so I was able to get some of them for a little bit cheaper because I bought them like on separate trips. But this is what my girls will be getting. It looks like a little McDonald's Happy Meal box. But then I'm going to tie this little tag on the outside right here. It's not tied just so I can open it, but it's just this tag. I got a pack of I think 12 of them at Hobby Lobby, and I just wrote my girls' names on it using a gold Sharpie, and then I put a little ring sticker on it. So this will go on the front of the box. But when I open it, this is what it looks like inside. So I have these little postcards that I made. I got these at Hobby Lobby. Also, they were just white with this gold trim, and then I painted the middle and then wrote on it. So it says, "Will you be my bridesmaid?" And then on the back is just a note for each one of my girls that I'm asking. This is one of the things that I'm most excited about. I got this from a shop on Etsy. I'm covering up the venue, but you can see it says the venue, and it's a picture of the state, and then it says like what the venue name is and what city it's in. But at the top it says my girl's name and then their role, so bridesmaid or maid of honor, and then my colors, the date, and then the names of my other girls, and then info about the dress. So I will link that Etsy shop down below. I'm very excited about that. I'm really happy with how it came out. I also have this little card that I made. These are just paint chips that I just cut up, and this is nail polish because I couldn't find a gold paint chip. But this is just the colors that we're using, and then on the back is some fabric swatches. I just got these from Joann's. I found the colors I was looking for in their special occasions fabric, and I just asked for their smallest cut of it, and it gave me a ton. Then I also have this list of some websites where I found some pretty inexpensive bridesmaid dress options. I'm letting them choose their own. I just am asking that it is emerald green and floor length, but this is just some options for them. Of course, they can look outside of that. Again, just following those requirements that I'm asking. So underneath all that, this is what it looks like. I've got some fake leaves, fake flowers in here. And then underneath that, I've just got a bunch of goodies. So first, I've got this Perrier drink. I was hoping to find some Martinelli's in the little containers, but I couldn't. So I found this, and it's in my shade of green anyways. So I included this in here for some little bubbly. And then this is really cute. This is a scrunchie from the shop Brooklyn and Bailey, and it's one of those little rabbit ear scrunchies, and it's tying up this little bag that I found at Hobby Lobby. I got for 50% off, and it says Bride Squad on it. And then I'm also including some makeup just because I love makeup. They don't have to wear it on their wedding day, or on their wedding day, on my wedding day if they're not comfortable, but I wanted to include it anyways because this really kind of defines who I am. So I have some lip gloss and then a little eyeshadow palette. And then I also have this mask that I picked up at Target for them. And then the last thing really is just this little notebook that I found at Michael's and a pen to go with it. So that is everything. I'm very excited about it. Underneath that, I just have some more flower petals and then some gold tissue paper just to kind of prop everything up so it doesn't roll around. But I'm really happy with how this turned out, and I will have links down below. So if you're interested, make sure and check it out, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.